Salty Dog. Hi, my name is Tiffany and I'm a channel medium, and my angels and guides wanted me to bring through a message for somebody who is searching for answers for their beloved pet, who is a dog, and I'm seeing like a Labrador, and he's very light colored, possibly even white. And they are saying you are somebody that served in the military, and it's like you left and then came home to this dog. Okay, so this dog has been in your life for quite some time, and he is like your child. And they are saying he's having some lower abdomen discomfort. And so we're going to bring some light language through to help bring comfort and relief to your pet if you would like to. And all you have to do is say yes. And before we move on to the light language, Spirit wanted me to bring through this also to bring you hope. And I run a 501 for rescue horses with my mom. And this horse has passed over just from old age. But there for a while, as he grew older, I noticed he was straddling and having a hard time pee. And he would just straddle for a while. And I'm like, this is not right. So we had the vet out. And this particular vet said, oh, there's nothing you can do. He's just old. And to me, that was unacceptable because I thought we can't let this horse live the rest of his life in discomfort. And so I called up one of my friends, and the good news is I knew what was going on from what the vet said. So I relayed that to her, who is my friend who's does natural homeopathy, and she's certified, and that's what she does for her career, and she's amazing. And she told me what to give this horse. And this horse, after so many doses, he started peeing comfortably, and he stopped straddling. And a few years went by, I kind of noticed he started straddling again, so I repeated it. And he lived out till his dying days in comfort, and he never had that issue ever again. And so that is what they're wanting me to also share, is that alternative also for your particular pet. Okay. And I'll put my friend's information below. And if you choose to go that route and do something for your dog this way. Okay. Just an alternative. So we're going to go ahead and bring this light language through to help bring comfort and to bring some healing towards him. Okay? All right. Let's begin. I am seeing like the angels holding hands around your dog. And I'm hearing the word survivor. Like, I don't know if you say this, like your dog's a survivor, or I'm just bringing this through, okay? And we have Octurians stepping through, and Octurians are great healers. Jing dang ding dong ding dang jing dang dong dong ding dang ding dong dong dong. Jing ding dong dong dong. Jing dang ding dong ding jang ding dang jing dang dong ding dang ding dong 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 dong. Jing dang ding dong dong dong. They say we are targeting the area of the issue. Ding 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 dong dong. Zhong ning zhong ning mong ning nong nong ning nong nong. I'm seeing like a bright light like on the abdomen, healing, relieving. And they're telling me to take my hand clockwise. And counterclockwise. They're telling me we are through. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for tuning in and sending you and your pet so much love and wishing you the very best. And it's an honor to bring this through. Bye for now.